Okay, it's tutorial day for Hannah's week of specialties. So my first tutorial that I'm going to do as featured stylist of the week is going to be an illusion ponytail. And so what I mean by that is, so she's already got pretty long hair, but we want to make it look even longer. So we're going to give it the illusion that it's super long. So first of all, I'm going to separate out this top section of hair. We're just going to pull this up and I'm just going to put it in a clip for now, so we're going to save that for later. And then we're going to take this bottom stuff and we're going to put it in a ponytail. And I'm going to do 3 ponytails rather than just 2 because I want it to look really long. So I'm going to do another little horseshoe of hair within that and put this back up with this clip. It'll stay. There it goes. And then I'm just going to put a little ponytail on this very bottom stuff. This is going to be my longest piece of hair then. I'm using clear rubber bands so that you don't see them as easily too. We want to hide it as best as we can, creating the illusion of length. Okay, I'm going to take down my second little section here. And we'll put this one up just a little bit higher than the very bottom one. And then you can already tell it's already kind of creating that illusion. Once we get the top one in, that's kind of like the finishing touch. And you can like puff the top if you want, so you kind of have like more of a fluff and then the ponytail. Or you can just do just a more tight, secure ponytail. The options are endless with this. She's got some bangs, so they'll kind of hang down a little bit. I'm not going to worry about them getting in on our pony. And then what I like to do, just to give it that extra bit of fanciness, is I'm going to take a little strand of hair from the bottom and wrap it around this top. And then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. So then it just kind of, you don't see the ponytail then. Now we're just going to kind of fluff this around, and you can already tell it's hiding where those ponytails are. So just kind of fluff it around there, and then I'm going to spray some hairspray, Elevate hairspray in there, just to kind of get it piecey and fluffy. And you can put like more pins in too if you want it to really stick up more, or you want to leave it kind of how it is. And then I'm going to finish it off with some of our Eliminate Shine Spray, just to make it extra shiny and gorgeous. And that is our illusion ponytail.